Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from one Wise account to another Wise account without using any bank account details. First we should go to the settings and check if the contacts on Wise option is turned on. This option should be turned on for the beneficiary, like the person whom you are sending the money. They should turn on this option. So using this we can find them on the Wise. Click send money option. Same currency. You need to type their email ID here. If they have a Wise account, it will show up here. They have a Wise account and they would like to receive euros in the following account. Check the details of the transfer. Then click confirm and continue. I'll be using the debit card option to send the money. There's a lot of options you can choose from. Continue to payment and click pay. I have got a OTP. Money is being sent. It's already done. Money has been sent in few seconds. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, please do subscribe to our channel. If you don't have a Wise account, you can sign up from the link which is mentioned in the description below. Thank you everyone. Bye.